Hi, I'm Ian Wilson from Fremantle Egg Company. Thought I'd just take a moment of your time to explain to you my experience with Dermot and spray foam insulation. We contacted Dermot about 6 months ago and spoke to him about doing the job for us, which was when we were doing a rotation of birds and some remedial work on our shed. And we booked Dermot in for early December, and true to his word, he was here on the 8 o'clock on the designated day, so very orderly and very proficient. The job that he's done on the insulation on our chicken shed, quite a large job, 1,400 square metres. Been very well done. We're very pleased with the result. He's applied about 25 mil of product, and we can already see a massive difference in the temperature reduction within our shed. The radiant heat that comes through the tin is huge, and we've virtually eliminated all that, and we're able to maintain an ambient temperature throughout the shed. We're very happy with.
Hey, good morning everybody. It's Dermot Cross here from Spray Foam Insulation here in Perth, and welcome to Fremantle Eggs, and welcome to the first day of summer. Here we've actually sprayed nearly 1,400 square metres. We're on the home straight. I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to check us out on sprayfoamperth.com.au.
So we feel that we would highly recommend Dermot and his company to any other people who would be interested.
Okay, so you take care and have a good day. I gotta get back to work.